In this video, we will explore PCB viewing modes within Altium Designer. These modes consist of the board planning mode, 2D layout mode, and 3D layout mode. With the PCB as the active document, press the number 1 key to switch to the board planning mode. The View menu can also be used by selecting View, then Board Planning Mode. Board Planning Mode is primarily for board shape creation and modification in combination with rigid flex designs. Press 2 on the keyboard to switch to the 2D mode. The View menu can also be used by selecting View, then 2D Layout Mode. The 2D Layout mode is primarily for component placement, routing, polygon pore management, and is where the bulk of the PCB design work is accomplished. Press 3 on the keyboard to switch to the 3D mode. The View menu can also be used by selecting View, then 3D Layout Mode. The 3D layout mode is primarily used to view the design in 3 dimensions, allowing the view of component bodies, height profiles, and with rigid flex design, the animation of the fold of the flex area. We have explored the PCB viewing modes within Altium Designer.